In this video, I'm going to share how to split 6-strand embroidery floss without getting it tangled. Your skein of embroidery floss likely has 2 labels wrapped around it. You always want to pull from the side that has the label with the barcode. Cut a length of floss about from your fingertips to your elbow. This length will help it to not get tangled while working. Here you can see that the embroidery floss, although it's one piece of thread, is actually made up of 6 strings twisted around each other. And for a lot of projects, you may only want to use 2 or 3, and I'm going to show how you split it without getting tangled. I'm splitting my floss into 2 sections of 3 strands each. Holding the floss in my right hand and using my right index finger to slowly separate the 2 sections, I just gently pull down the length of the floss. Every so often letting those loose strands dangle so that way they can untwist on their own. If you do this slowly and gently, you should be able to separate your floss into the 2 sections that you need. For more embroidery and craft tips, be sure to subscribe here and follow me on other platforms at Jessie Katz Greenberg.